Bright Edge Marketing and SEO Honest Review. Watch before using. Most people get SEO tools wrong. They think it's just about keywords. But you won't believe what happens next when AI and analytics meet in Bright Edge. Bright Edge is a marketing platform designed to optimize website visibility, search engine rankings, and content performance. It uses AI-driven insights to track keywords, analyze competitors, and provide actionable recommendations for improving search traffic. The surprising truth about Bright Edge is how data-rich and automated it is. You can monitor rankings, measure ROI, and identify content gaps without manually tracking dozens of spreadsheets. It integrates with Google Analytics and other marketing tools, providing a holistic view of your digital presence. Most people get this wrong. They assume SEO tools provide generic advice. Bright Edge personalizes recommendations based on your website, audience behavior, and industry trends. This means you can prioritize actions that actually drive traffic and conversions. The platform is best for digital marketers, content creators, and marketing agencies who want to improve organic search performance efficiently. It's particularly useful for mid to large businesses with multiple web properties. The surprising truth is that Bright Edge can transform SEO from guesswork into a data-driven strategy, helping your marketing team focus on the initiatives that yield real results. Subscribe for more honest marketing and SEO reviews that help you grow traffic and improve online performance.